Okay, a war of words there. Now news from Munnar now, where thousands of women who work in tea plantations in Kerala's hill station have been protesting since Sunday. They're protesting against their wages and bonuses being slashed by companies. Well, let's go across to Sneha, who is there at the protest site. So Sneha, I believe these women are not allowing any men to participate. They're not a part of any union. However, they're protesting here for their rights and against their salaries being slashed.
Yes, that's right, Gargi. In fact, if our camera person SP Babu can just pan his camera and show, you can see hundreds of people here. There are men around who have now gathered to see what's happening. But if you ask the women, they will say, we have told our men to stay away from these protests because they are not the ones who do hard labor. Now, this whole issue is actually coming down to migrant laborers and the conditions in which they are working. Though this protest is happening in Munnar, which is famous, a hill station in Kerala, which is famous for its tea plantation, majority of the workers who work here, who labor in the field from morning 5 to evening 6, they are migrant workers who have come in from Tamil Nadu. Even though they might not have any leaders right now, and they have said that they do not want any leaders, be it trade unions or their husbands or their male members of the families who work in the field, they are saying they are demanding better wages, better bonuses. Some of them have been working for 200 rupees or 230 rupees for several months and years. Joining us is one such a lady. Ida R-day bonus, ida R-day salary slip, endo idella kanikane. இது ஆர்டி சாலரி ஸ்லிப்பா எந்தவா
என் பேர் அமுதா நான் கூடாரவளை எஸ்டேட்ல இருந்து வரேன் சம்பளம் வந்து ஒரு நாளைக்கு எங்களுக்கு அடிப்படை சம்பளம் வந்து 84.
Okay, see, now if I can show you what they are showing is they are supposed to get 230 rupees per day, but all they are getting is 880 rupees per month after there's several other necessities are deducted from it, which means electricity, blankets, rice, all such other. So there are several other complaints which are coming. If you see people here, one person is getting 1,570 rupees per month. These are what they get after the other costs are deducted from their salary, which includes the blankets which they get, the wood which they get as fuel to cook for their daily necessities, or several other things. So that's the reason why you see several women here who have gathered. Where endo parayanolada endo namakku
avashyam ulladana ஒவ்வொரு நாங்க எங்களுக்கு வந்து 20 ரூபாய் போனஸ் வேணும், 500 ரூபாய் சம்பளம் வேணும். இது ஒரு நாளைக்குள்ள சம்பளம். இந்த சம்பளத்துக்காக வேண்டி தான் நாங்க இவ்வளவு நேரம் போராடுவோம், நாங்க வெற்றி பெறுவோம், சாகு வரைக்கும் உண்ணாவிரதம் இருப்போம். எத்தனை மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு ஓசியில கார் வந்து இறங்கி இருக்கு, எத்தனை மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் அவங்க போயிருக்காங்க டூருக்கு, எங்களுக்கு வெளிநாடு போறாங்க டூருக்கு, எங்களுக்கு அந்த ஒரு அடிப்படை வசதி கிடையாது.
What they are saying is they want their bonus, they want their salaries, their wages to be increased to 500 rupees per month, per day. What they're also demanding is that they need to have their basic necessities in place. They want the leaders of the management of the company, the district collector to come here, have negotiations with them.
10% போனஸ் வாங்க வைக்கிற மேனேஜ்மென்ட்க்கு 33 கார் வந்து இறங்கி இருக்கு. அவங்க மேனேஜ்மென்ட்ட வச்சு எங்களை வாங்க வைக்க பார்க்கறாங்க.
Okay, what they are saying is the management has all the facilities. Why don't the labor here who work from morning 5 and toil till 6 in the evening? So basically a protest of women here who don't have any faces as leaders, but who have gathered together in very spontaneous protest. You can see the roads completely blocked to the main town of Munnar.
All right, Sneha, thanks so much for joining us from Munnar there, the women's protest.